In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can set up your own custom email address like Chris at appmvpbootcamp.com. This is a great way to come across as more established and professional in what you're building. And so it costs as little as $6 a month. Now, in order to do this, you need to already have chosen your business name and purchased your business domain. If you don't have those two things already, this video won't really help you as much. So go ahead and finish those steps first and come back when you're ready, or you can just skip ahead if it's already done. And so what we're going to use for our professional emails, the platform is called Google Workspace. I'm pretty sure everyone knows Google. Go ahead and go to google.com/Google Workspace, type in Google Workspace, click one of the top links and hit get started. I feel just for now, one email address is enough, especially when we're going to be using it to sign up to all these different platforms and everything that's going to be connected to your app down the line. It's good to have this one email. You can set up different emails later down the road, but first off, we're going to start off with one. So if you just need one email address right now, go ahead and choose the individual plan. You can always add more later. Set your region. For most people, that's the United States, and enter, of course, your name. Keep in mind this email you're entering now isn't your final address. It's just to help you complete registration. Next, enter the domain you've already purchased. This is the domain your custom email will use. Then click next. Skip any extra offers and go ahead and set up your Google account. Your first email is usually your name. So for me, that would be Chris at appmvpbootcamp.com. Later on, you can create other addresses like support or partner, but at this point, Google may try to upsell you to a monthly plan. Don't worry, we'll downgrade it later to the $6 plan. Just start the 14-day free trial and enter your billing info so we can activate your account. If you use GoDaddy to buy your domain, the setup should be seamless, but don't worry if you use any other domain provider. It's truly not that difficult. Google actually kind of helps you go through this process. So just sign in when prompted, grant permission to connect to Google, and activate Gmail. This activation might take a few minutes. If so, just wait or come back in a few. Once that's complete, we'll head over to admin.google.com and sign in using the new email address that you just created. This is your Google Admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage your email settings and any future users. Now, let's say you want to add more people to your team. I set up addresses like support at appmvpbootcamp.com and info at appmvpbootcamp.com. Just keep in mind, each additional user you add will cost, but there is a workaround. If you don't want to pay for extra users, but you want to have, I would call an alias. For example, if I don't want to pay extra emails like support or info, I can create it as an alias under Chris. And so basically what it does is it's going to take that email from support or info and it'll automatically forward it to Chris. So it doesn't actually create a whole entire another inbox. It just sends it to my main one. So to do this, go to manage, click your user profile, add alternative emails, and enter the alias that you want. Then save it. Now when someone emails support, it will land in my Chris inbox. And so just note that this works well for shared inboxes or team addresses. But if you're handling completely different conversations, it's better to create a full separate account. And so now just get downgrading to the more affordable plan a month. And once you're done with that, let's go back to your admin dashboard, look on the left side and scroll to billing. Then click get more services. If all you want is just a professional email, the $6 plan is more than enough. And so once you switch, all future accounts you create will also just cost around $6 per user. And that's all you need to know to get your professional email set up under your app's brand. Now, just know that Google occasionally updates this flow, so depending on when you're watching, some steps might shift slightly, but overall it's super easy to follow, and I always recommend using something like Gmail or a provider that you're very used to when it comes to email. It's super important to have it simple and easy to use for yourself and your team going forward. And so once your custom email domain is set up, you're officially ready to move forward like a pro.